Hey guys, welcome back on the channel. Today's video is about Taylor Capital once again, a very reliable platform that has been showing us really cool results. I have done some videos about it in further detail on the past, which I will link down under below. So in case you want to know more how they run, they work with weekly cycles. They're a very unique platform that allows people to invest in real world assets but just using crypto. Like in this case, it's BUSD, all right? So I'm gonna share with you the new protocols they have, Vendetta, C3PO, also what they're cooking, because there's gonna be a new one which promises to be a killer. I'm gonna also show you what's up and coming with them. Recent changes that they did with product offers, the discontinued energy, for example. And yeah, that's what we will be talking on this video. But before getting started, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more of the type of content. I bring you this type of platforms on a regular basis. And also I'm going to diversify the content on my channel, like talking about exchanges, how can you invest in those, profit by copy trading, beginner friendly tutorials overall. Okay, so if you are interested in that, make sure you subscribe and also give it a like to this video and help to support the channel. Okay, it's highly appreciated. Now going to back to the topic, Taylor Capital, these guys have been killing it. Now so far they introduced C3PO. This week is actually the first week C3PO and Vendetta have been running. It's their two newest protocols and they have been killing it. Check it out. Vendetta over 10% profit, although it's very high risk, I must warn you. C3PO over 8% profit, and this is not, it's not very high, it's high risk, but still it's not something that you should take as granted. Okay, and also as always with Taylor Capital, past performance does not guarantee future results. What these guys are doing is using crypto to invest in real world assets. There's trading ongoing, and whenever there's trading, there's never such thing as a guaranteed result, all right? There's always going to be subject to changes, to volatility, etc. Now, energies is no longer a product which is available. It was a product that I did invest, and in my experience it brought me profits, but lately probably the people who were in it probably lost money. Before that situation came to happen, I did take my funds from it because, well, it was not because I was unhappy with the platform or anything. I just saw opportunities elsewhere to earn more money from, and I just chose to do so. But when it comes to reliability and um, just having trust in the team, these guys are top notch. Let me tell you, the weekly cycles run as should, run as intended, as promised. I have no complaints about it. All right. So C3PO. What is this all about? Now, you can see right here, for example, metals and indices, they have profit loss overall percentages, they have charts ongoing. C3PO still at zero, no chart. Same thing with Vendetta, because this is the very first week they have been running. Only after the cycle closes later on today, June 2nd, we will see this probably updated. But so far, it's the first week and they have been killing it. Now, C3PO is currently with 39 investors, over 3,400 USD investment, and minimum investment 1 BUSD. So if you want to check it out with low risk, I mean, a couple of bucks and see if it works out for you, all right? Of course, you can always go heavy. It's up to you. Risk level here, high. Profit loss cycle weekly. As always, this is something which happens with all products that they have. It runs on weekly cycles, all right? So let's go ahead and see why invest in C3PO. So basically, when you do so, you tap into the dynamic world of US Tech 100. What does this mean? These are the leading tech companies of the world. We're talking about Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, you know. These are world-leading companies in the tech sector. They bring tremendous amount of revenues each year, and I mean it was just a really nice update for their portfolio to have this product, in my opinion. So far they're paying 8%, although they aim for 5%. they mention it on their Telegram channel. C3PO is expected to have on average 5% a week, but for this first week, it has been killing it, all right? No question about it, paying over 8%. Let's see how it closes, but I think it's going to close in 8%. So let's go ahead and check Vendetta also. Vendetta is a little bit different. You see the minimum investment is it's higher, it's 30 BUSD. 11 investors, over 1,500 BUSD so far on it, but it's still early days. Like I said, it's just the first week. With this type of results, I'm pretty sure many more people will start on depositing with this product. But check it out, very high risk level. This is Forex trading on, let's check it out here, more aggressive approach, higher risk. Vendetta sets itself apart from traditional forex investments. While the market can be volatile, it also presents the potential for significant gains. So they even say it here: high risk, high reward, and they aim this for have average 7% gains a week. It's not something you should take as granted. As always, high risk, high reward. Okay, but this first week also killing it. You see, like I said, or Vendetta product designed to target 7% return rate. All right. So they have been back testing. That's where they bring that 7% number from. Feel free to check this out. Go check on their website with further detail. I'm not going to read the whole thing to you. All right. Actually, let me just show you here on products some other things. Now, the latest video I did about Tiller Capital, they had ongoing a car rental service that didn't went through because they failed to meet the funding quota for it. Okay, actually they did an announcement on their Telegram group. Let me go ahead and show you. So here it is, info. If you participated as investor in the car rental fundraising, now you can reclaim. Well, they didn't meet the quota for the investment, but I think this might be something that they might want to revisit in the future, because so far they don't have that much big of a community, knowing that they exist. Okay, they're a rare breed in the crypto world because they don't really do crypto. All right, they are trying to democratize access to investment, but it's in the real world type of assets. All right, so I don't think there's all that much exposure to the crypto space average user knowing about Tiller Capital. Okay, as they grow in the future and only like proving themselves with consistent returns weekly will allow them to do so. But when that happens in the future and they have a bigger community with bigger, that means bigger amounts of money flowing into the platform, it might be easier to them to revisit that car sharing opportunity. Or car rental service opportunity. It was a quite solid one. I was very interesting to see that to play out. Okay. Also, they did discontinue energy as a protocol. It was something to do with the brokers they were dealing with. They have it here also in their pin messages. So there, as you can see, they do quite a cool job when it comes to being upfront and keeping the community up to date with their decisions. So you see here more information about the two new products, C3PO Vendetta. But the other thing I want to share with you is what they're cooking. So this is not yet even live on their products page, but they already warned the community that they are baking a new product in their AI lab, and that product could deliver fixed weekly ROI. Initial deposit in this product would be protected, so very interesting. It gives some reassurance to investors. So if a loss happens during the week, we got you covered. Expected weekly fixed ROI might go from 2 to 5%. Super product, as you can see, and for this reason will be limited and accessible only via pre-sale. So you might want to keep an eye out for it, or maybe subscribe to the channel, because I probably am going to post any news regarding this one. Okay, so they did a poll, as you can see, regarding the term and the reward. Which of the following options would you prefer? And they did the voting poll. Here it is. Most of the people are more interested in this new product to be 3 months paying 5% a week. The other options are not that much. Well, basically they're lower lock periods, but also lower weekly returns. So the majority of the people, including myself, would be interested. I don't care if my money gets locked for 3 months there, if it's paying 5% a week, if it has like this really cool protection with just giving you some reassurance if any loss happens during the trading week, we got you covered. I mean, it's a no-brainer for me. I'm gonna try it out. Okay, so keep an eye out for it. Tiller Capital, plenty of juicy things coming. C3PO and Vendetta killing it, 8% and 10% overall in this first week. Still high risk products. Don't get me wrong. It's not such thing as a guaranteed thing. All right, these are things that happen with every project that are bringing you legit investment opportunities. You can win some, you can lose some, so have that in mind. So far so good, looking great. And yeah, that's what I had to share with you about Taylor Capital, guys. Let me know if you have some questions on the comments down below. As always, thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe. You know how crazy this crypto world can get, and I'll see you on the next one.